Hey guys, I'm in my local Woolworths and this area is really small. I mean, as you can see, there's only just a couple of lines of Hot Wheels. However, I've been very successful in finding some really great cars down through here. I think, let's have a look at this one. I think I might have already got that one. I can't remember. Oh, I just dropped it, sorry. But, have a look at this. I haven't seen this. This is new. Car meat. This looks interesting. Look at that. Look at that gasser there. I might get this. It is dear. It's $12. But anyway, there's a couple of little rippers in there, and they will race really well on Mount Western Raceway. Oh no, I should be shopping, but should be shopping for food and not bloody cars. Have a look at this. Here's that exotics pack. That looks really good. I do like that. And check this one out. These are all new. I haven't seen these. If I can get that off. They call on this one Wave Cravers. But look, there's two in there that I really like. It's this one here and that very top one. Pretty dear though, 12 bucks, you know, so $6 each. Don't know about that. And here's some colour shifters. They want $7 each for these. Forget that. It's too much money. What have they got here? Police Pursuit, Speed Blur, and you know, all the stock standard stuff. The old Fast and Furious. Yeah, I've already got that. Hot Trucks. Monster Trucks. I'm actually currently making a monster truck track at the moment. It's going to be some time before it's finished. Just for a bit of fun, just to mix it up. Let's see what else they've got here. Yeah, the usual junk. There's the dunny truck again. No, I'm not going to get that. I thought I saw something down the back here. No, maybe it was here. No, there's nothing here again. No, there's just nothing. All the same old crap. I shouldn't say it's crap because you know. But anyway, that's about it for now. Look, and they do have some Matchbox stuff here, which I find they're $3 each. And I do have a couple of Matchboxes. I just don't know if these have rubber tyres. I'd like to have a better Matchbox collection, but there's nothing decent I find. What's that? The Nissan. That might be interesting. Yeah, nothing there really. I don't know. Probably just wasting my money. I'll just put those back. But I'm really keen, as I said before, on this. Really keen on this set. Car meat. What do you reckon? I don't know. I'm just going to think about it for a second. And there's some Hot Trucks here. Oh, this looks interesting. If I can get it without... Nice, a Subaru. Has that got rubber wheels? Yeah, it's got rubber wheels. What a bugger. Because that can't race on Mount Western Raceway. Oh look, there's some really nice stuff in there. Useless to me. Absolutely useless. So anyway... There you go, that's a look at one of my really small local shopping malls called Woolworths. I might duck around to the other one, which is even smaller. I think you know, they've got way less than this. So anyway, catch you later. Okay, I only picked up the 2005 Ford Mustang from that particular hunt at Woolies. I'm going to duck off to the next Woolies and see what they have there. As I said before, it's even smaller than this, but sometimes you do find some rare ones. So this will add to my Ford Mustang or my Mustang collection. So let's go to the next shopping centre, see what we can do. Okay, here's a selection here. I've got to be careful, I've got some staff behind me. But there's not much here, so as I say, this is a very small selection, so there's not much here at all. I'm going to move on. There's some Matchbox stuff, but that's about it. There is a 67 Shelby there, but that's not what I'm after. And you know, there's some street turners, and I won't do that. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll catch you later, guys.